Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is TLOF. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. You guys, following the much controversial recent episode of Omakopeni featuring every male celebrity girlfriend, Queen Loli, talking about how she was chowed by Musa Mseleku's son, Umpumelelo, you guys. Not only that she went as far as releasing audios and videos of her and Umpumelelo having a TLOF, you guys. Mayeni and Musa who have sent their lawyers to the cloud chasing Queen Loli as they say that she filmed their son having TLOF without his knowledge nor consent, you guys. They also stated that during the podcast she insinuated that she was having an affair with Musa Mseleku Sr., and that she has damaged his reputation as he is a prominent businessman and a public figure. You confirmed that the audio recording was obtained from your CCTV cameras in your home, confirming that you recorded yourself and Mr. Mseleku Jr. engaging in sexual activities without his consent and knowledge. Your constant reference to Mr. Mseleku Jr. as Musa Mseleku has created the impression that you were engaging in sexual activities with our client's father, Mr. Mseleku Sr., who shares his name as and is a prominent business entrepreneur and a reality star. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload.